This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, September 17th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a weakness coming through the flow over the country, trough over the Pacific Northwest, one moving off the East Coast. This little bit of energy over the area is going to bring some warmer air into the state, and with warmer air riding over cooler air, we'll have some showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two moving into the state from the southwest to northeast. Maybe some sunshine in the far eastern counties early, but by Wednesday it'll be fairly cloudy, fairly showery. There could be some peaks of sun. It won't be an all-day rain, but highs will be much warmer here after the 60s and 70s today. Highs in the 80s to near 90 Wednesday. About the same on Thursday, as a low-pressure center will be well to our north, but the cold front will be coming into the state Thursday into Thursday night and into early Friday. There could be some strong thunderstorms with that. We have to wait and see about any severe weather. Friday during the day, by afternoon, the storms will be to the east. There could be lingering rain into the early afternoon, mainly along and east of Interstate 35. Otherwise, it'll slowly clear. Temperatures will cool back down into at least the 70s, and then the weekend will be just fantastic across the area. Saturday, fairly light winds, cool nights ahead. Highs around 70 to 75 or so. Same goes for Sunday, but the winds start to veer around back to the south again later on Sunday, so temperatures may be a skosh warmer to the west, maybe nearing 80 in the far west, still in the 70s, low 70s in the far eastern counties. You can see here Monday, to start off the new work week, a new storm system moves in. Could scrape the state with a few showers in the northwest, but most of this energy is going to be shunted to the north and east away from the state as a ridge begins to develop here. As you can see, a week from today, next Tuesday, over the east, and a trough over the west, and this ridge is going to pretty much be stagnant over the east for pretty much all of next week. If this happens to be right, that's going to keep the winds here from the south, maybe isolated showers and storms in the far west, but mainly it's going to stay dry at least until perhaps the end of next week. Going further into the extended period, this is on the 28th of September. You can see the trough and some energy moving into the plains and about the Black Hills of South Dakota. Still a ridge over the east. We'll have a frontal system that will have moved through. This will be the one that will be moving through most likely Thursday into Friday of next week with some showers and storms. It'll be to our east by this point. Then at the end of the forecast on October the 2nd, a decent piece of energy moving across the state at that point, with the main westerlies close by. Bit of a ridge to the south and west into the southern plains, but this energy could bring some decent chances of showers and thunderstorms with this system as well, and maybe some strong winds too. Maybe 10 to 20 mile an hour winds, and temperatures getting fairly cool, maybe down into the 60s or maybe even cooler. Satellite image from last evening. We had clouds already streaming into the state by this point from the south. We had the remnants of Ingrid moving into Mexico, front moving off the east coast, and some disturbances moving into the north and west. The watch warning map from last evening, it's going to be cold. Frost and freeze advisories from Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan eastward into New England, flash flood watch in New Mexico, and a freeze watch in Oregon and northeastern California. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts will be varied from maybe a quarter to a half an inch in the north and west to maybe over 2 inches in the east and southeastern counties.